G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 6th of September. Okay, well the market bounced around today really in anticipation of what Mario Draghi might say at the ECB press conference later on today. Various leaks have given the market a little bit of confidence that there'll be a major bond buying programme announced that's intended to lower the borrowing costs of Spain and Italy, and so the euros remain pretty bid as we approach that. It's currently just under the top end of its daily range at sitting at 126, the figure at the moment. Cable's gone around with it. That's just at 159. It's broken resistance at 159.10, got up to 159.30, and has come back 30 or so points at the moment. Dollar yen's doing absolutely nothing as usual. That's at 78.40. And dollar Swiss is at 95.5. There was a rumour that did the rounds earlier on in the session that the Swiss National Bank might raise the peg from 120 to 122, but no announcement of that. The cross did move up 30 or so points, but aside from that, there's not been an awful lot of action there. Aside from the ECB later on today, we're going to get the Bank of England report. There's no change expected in interest rates after the MPC meeting. And locally, we've got the Australian unemployment data, the jobs data, where the jobs are supposed to be about flat, and unemployment rates predicted to rise from 5.2 to 5.3%. So right now the Aussie's a little bit heavy. It's trading at 102. It's been down to 101.70, the initial target. It's bounced from there, but there may be a little bit more of a bounce too. We've got the short-term indicators oversold and showing a bit of bullish divergence, so we might see a move up towards 103, but I think there'll be plenty of sellers on any approach, and really before the numbers it's going to be fairly quiet, and we'll take our lead from there. The Kiwi likewise, that remains a little bit heavy. It made another low down today at 79.15. It's come back to 79.5, so it's pretty much unchanged from yesterday. And that'll get pulled around by whatever the Aussie does after the release of the unemployment data. So that's really about it today. Really, the market's going to be generally on hold for the ECB, and don't expect an awful lot to happen until then. In the meantime, if you do want a more comprehensive outlook, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any opinion here is personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.